Прикройте! Перезаряжаю! Бей базу! И что? Где все пошли? Попал! Нагнули, вали его! Эй, ему в мат! Прикройте! Перезаряжаюсь!
The hour of the wolf is at hand, and it brings the death of mercy with it.
All in the play the shit.
Over here. Was that you shooting up the place? I almost feel sorry for them. Almost. Let me guess. Zeta Tech hire. I think I know why you're here.
Client lost some items. Tech stuff.
Like, say, a prototype and some schematics, huh? They might have locked me up, but I kept the signal pinging from my prototype. I knew the Corp would send someone eventually.
Uh-huh, cute. Now the short version. Who are you?
Hassan Demir, Zeta Tech engineer. Only survivor of the Scav ambush.
Sole survivor, huh? Mercy's not in the Scavs, M.O. Gotta have something they want.
You could say that. What they need is my implant. And that, my friend, is priceless.
Wait. Tell me you planted that tech in your own damn skull.
Well, I figured it was the safest way. The border control scans don't recognize unreleased tech. In retrospect, it does seem, rather foolish. Then again, it bought me a few hours of life. We're a package deal, the prototype and I. You won't get it while I'm here, withering away.
More luck than sense, this one. How gonk you gotta be to chip yourself with prototype tech? No offense, V. Of course, unless Zeta Tech forced him into it. Made a guinea pig out of it.
Here's an idea. I go in there, yank that chrome out of your skull, and hit the road.
I'll tell you what I told those savages. There is no way to extract it short of a Ripper dock. You yank, it's ruined.
Prototype's all I need. Its condition? Whole nother gig.
That still leaves the schematics. Listen, I can show you where they're holding them.
So that's your scheme, huh? Fine. Try anything funny, though.
There is a time and a place to be funny. This isn't it.
Yeah. Now, to crack open this door.
Bypass the security? If you can't, the guard room's nearby. Maybe they have a passcode.
Right. Back in a nanosec. Two 753.
Well, I see Zeta Tech spared no expense in hiring a real professional.
Now your time to shine. How do you know where these schema docs are at?
Their workshop. The Scavs took me there. Forced me to remove the security protocols on the tech they'd swiped.
Uh-huh. Lead the way then. And no gonk moves.
Jesus! Is that... Harry? The man was a real prick, but this... It's... barbaric. I suppose this would have been my fiery grave if you hadn't shown up. Burned at Zeta Tech. Nearly burned here. Right. This is it. It's got to be here. Somewhere. Found it!
Preem, got it. Stick close. We'll get you out of here.
Wait. I heard you slaughtering them, which means so did half of Longshore. This place is about to be swarming with scavs.
You got an idea? Let's hear it.
The drawbridge. I've seen the scavs use it. I suppose it's their emergency exit from the scraper. We'll vanish before they realize. Little to no risk. See? Not as burdensome as you thought I was. It's time we were on our way. Couple more steps. Keeping it quiet. Out of sight, out of harm. If they don't spot us, we'll be just fine. Come on, Hassan. Keep it together. Now to disable the bridge. Better not have scavs on our backs, no? Huh. Should be safe here. I owe you one, truly. It was getting quite ugly back there.
Sure thing. Not like I'm leaving empty-handed, right?
Well, I suppose I can take it from here. I'll tell my superiors you did one hell of a job.
Oh, no. You'll sit tight while I call my fixer, grab some transport. Sure, he'll want to handle the prototype personally.
No, wait. I can't go back to Zeta Tech.
You know what? Getting on my nerves now, Chum. You get one answer. What the fuck's your deal?
My deal, I don't intend to return to Zeta Tech. I plan to grab the prototype and vanish into Dogtown. I had a buyer. I was waiting on the signal to run. Then the scavs attacked and everything went to shit. Going back, it would be a death sentence.
Wait. How in the hell do you think that was gonna go? I tell my fixer, sorry, shit out of luck, prototype bounced?
Just say it got lost, moved, I don't know. I cut the signal. Your fixer can have the schematics. They're just as valuable.
You conniving fuck. Should've schemed a little harder before you squirmed into a Sokka Zeta scavenger shit witch.
I fucked up, okay? If I'd known. Please, if you send me back, I'm dead.
Newsflash, Chum. Dead already. They'll find you and snuff you before you walk with that tech.
Then, I give up. Kill me. I'm not being dramatic. I'd rather die by your hand than their tortures.
Doing it my way. Calling my fixer. You, sit tight and shut up.
Right. Okay. I beg you, please don't send me back to the Corp.
Hands, Sitch got tangled. Rescued a Zeta Tech hostage, sole survivor of a scav ambush.
I see. This impedes your assignment. How, exactly?
Well, my Chum here planted the prototype in his eye socket. Gonna need a ride.
Inconvenient, but not disastrous. Coordinates, please. His escort back to Zeta Tech will arrive shortly.
Don't send him back to Zeta Tech. I'd like you to find him a mean chrome dock, extract the tech, and let him walk.
I assume you have a kind benefactor in mind to sponsor your friend's operation.
Come on, Hans. You gotta have some favor to call in. Won't cost you a damn any.
True. Consider this a gesture of goodwill. A solid foundation for our mutual cooperation. I have to say, I'm intrigued, V. Is this man worth the effort?
Know all too well what those Zeta pricks got in store for him. So I thought, you know what? Fuck him.
Done and done.
I appreciate you having my back there. Truly.
UV? Man sent me. Here for the schematics.
Yeah, here you go.
Preem. I'll take it from here.
Sly bastard survived an ambush, gave scabs the slip, and bamboozled a corp, but at some point, everyone's luck runs out.
Commendable work, V. My people will take it from here as per our agreement. Expect your compensation shortly.
Oh, no fear! You're a barcast yesterday. It's my turn now.
No, don't kill me!
All good. Let's go. Check the course.
Я перезвоню.
Притормози!
Eat shit, psycho!
Yo! Skedaddle, June!
Bad news. You only got a few minutes, so chop chop or I'm down a client. Not gonna lie, I think you got a gift. My man will take care of the rest. Check the drop point for reward. Just don't spend it all on XPDs and glitter. Ви, я сразу к делу. В сети есть сайт, где поливают говном мэра Уэлдона Холда.
Вернее, исполняющего обязанности мэра. Ему еще выборы надо выиграть. Короче, политика. Они все там рады друг друга признать. В общем, мой клиент хочет, чтобы этот сайт наебнулся и больше не поднялся никогда. Просканируй мое письмо, если нужны подробности.
Попробуй обойти его сзади!
Получай!
Сейчас ты получишь! Это лучше, чем секс! У нас погибшие! Сейчас перебьют!
Не успеешь одного урода к ногтю прижать, а другой уже, гляди-ка, народный любимец. Выборы, кандидаты.
Извини, Джонни. Нет сейчас у меня времени играть в анархию.
Зато есть время играть в Геракла. Зато есть время играть в Геракла. Рубить головы ебучей гидре. Этот город так и просит еще одну ядерную бомбу.
Еще одно успешное дело на твоем счету, Ви. Мне сказали, что вирус уже летит к серверам. В очередной раз спасибо. Закрываю заказ.
Been in something like this before, have you? Now, this bureau will do virtually anything for you, like having your own personal netrunner. She'll track down your next ride herself. When you're close to the target, she drops the locks and grabs the steering fork. You take down any hostile around and bring our prey back to me. Simple? Let's roll.
Это наш город! Наш! Beautiful. Get behind the wheel and over to me.
close now, but lose the tail or wipe them out yourself. Oh, yeah, I knew I picked the right work for the gig. Thanks for the help, V. My chum will do the finishing touches.
アンジェリークのコスモなら誰にでもなれる誰にでもなれる最接近冰川的味道至亲入口
Generators! Filters! Injection pump! All original! invisible hand tune. Clap it right out of the pocket, then Delta.
Where did they catch me?
I mean, look at this gate. Steel beams, barbed wire.
Yo! Skedaddle, Chew! Where is Myers? Where is Myers? You playing rough?
Этот товар совсем новый. Чумба мне намекнул, что его только не раз.
Hello, V. Van on the loose. It needs retrieving. Coordinates provided. Head there. Quite simple as these things go. Except, you should expect animals prowling. Likely feral. Details attached.
Припяху его! Убил! Рот пущу! Свинец мой!
You made me a wealthier man, V. You raised the animals' hackles, too. Kudos. I respect those who make an impression. In the event of more work, I'll know the number to call. Contract closed.
Ви,
До связи.
пока Ви. Не верь журналистам, они врут.
Я политикой не интересуюсь, потому что она не интересуется мной. Кого вы точно? Like you like this,
Внимание всем нарядам. Подозрительная активность в Пасифике.
Ого, в Пасифике? Никогда такого не было. Вас понял, еду.
Ой, Сид! Неглава ракет!
Alright, V, flipping you the cords. This little cruiser's very eager to swap hands. Client's got a strict deadline. Seems he's on his way out at NC. Need you to dump the skelter, V.